Now, how do we specify typefaces? Okay, we mentioned the font family here. How do we indicate what values for font family? So font family is the property, but how do we give it values? So the font family property allows you to specify the typeface that should be used. Okay, that should be used inside the element to which CSS rules applies. The value of the property is the name of the typeface you want to use. The people who are visiting your website need the typeface you have specified or you have what installed on your computer or their computer. You can specify a list of fonts just like I explained the font stack. Okay, you can what specify a list. Don't limit yourself to only one. Okay, if you limit yourself, it is possible that your prospective reader or visitor might not be having. So you must not what specify. You can separate each of the font you are giving by a comma, so that it does not what have a disadvantage over other readers. Okay, so when this one is not able to pick, it should fall on the next one, and it should fall on the next one. In this case, you can add the generic font name. Okay, just like serif, sans serif, and the rest. Your font name is also made up of what? More than one word. It should be put in a double quote. Designers suggest pages usually look better if they use more than 3 typefaces on a page. This is how to specify it. This is an internal CSS. So our concentration should be on the body. On the body, we want to give a property font family. We want to give it Georgia, Times, and Serif. Yes, this is a generic name. Okay, this is a generic name. We can also give area Verdana, and we indicate the generic name. We can also give Korea. Okay, this will be the monospace. Okay, this will be the monospace. I'm going to give you I'm going straight onto my text editor, and I'll use those ones as examples, the typefaces. Then we can move on to size of type. Okay, now this is my text editor, so let me just go into my CSS, paste this code that I have. Let me describe this as typeface or typefaces. Now what I want to do is I use font family as a property, and I'll indicate Georgia, Times, and Serif. So Times or Times New Roman, Georgia are examples of what serif group. The sans serif group, I have what? I have area Verdana. Those should apply to my headings, my heading 1 and my heading 2. What's the entire body, like the entire visual area of my web page should be serif. And then let me just do this. Let me just do paragraph. Okay, all my paragraphs should also have the monospace, which is the what? Korea, or it should do Korea new. If Korea new is not found, it should fall on Korea. Okay, let me just bring this one and then manage some space. Alright, so let me just save this file and go straight to my browser and then refresh. Now you can see I've used 3 different types of typefaces. This we said is usually used for codes, this one, and that is the monospace, same width. Okay, we also indicated that the sans serif should be used for our headings, heading 2, and then this heading 1. Okay, let me see the codes once again. Heading 1 and heading 2 should have the sans serif, whilst the entire body should have what? The serif. So this is exactly how to specify font names. Let's continue with our slides, then we'll come back to our text editors again.